Good morning, children. Welcome to Class 3 EVS. Children, before I start the new lesson, I will show you some pictures and you have to look at those pictures carefully. After looking at those pictures, you have to find out what the people are doing in those pictures. Children, you have to find out what the people are doing in those pictures. So let us see the first picture. So children, what is this man doing in this picture? Yes, he is teaching. The man is teaching. So who is he? Yes, he is a teacher. And what is the work of a teacher? The work of a teacher is to teach in the school. Now let us see the second picture. So children, what is this man doing in this picture? Yes, he is checking a boy. And children, whose work is to check? Yes, it is the work of a doctor. What is the work of a doctor? The work of a doctor is to check the patients. So he is a doctor. Now let us see the next picture. So children, tell me, what is this man doing standing near the traffic signal? Yes, he is maintaining the traffic. So who is he? Yes, he is a traffic policeman. And what is the work of a traffic policeman? The work of a traffic policeman is to maintain the traffic. Now let us see the next picture. So children, what is this man doing in the picture? Yes, he is laying the bricks. So who is he? Yes, he is a mason. And what is the work of a mason? The work of a mason is to lay bricks and build a house. So children, here we came to know that a teacher's work is to teach. A doctor's work is to check the patients. A traffic policeman's work is to maintain traffic. And a mason's work is to lay bricks and build a house. Children, do you know what is the work of a barber? And what is the work of a policeman? You don't know. So children, to know what is the work of a barber and what is the work of a policeman, let us read lesson number 12, Work We Do, to know about the different work done by different people living near us. Lesson number 12, Work We Do. Lesson number 12, Work We Do. The important points of this lesson are: point number 1. There are many people who live near us and help us in many ways. For example, teacher, doctor, traffic policeman, mason, etc. Point number 2. These people do different types of work and help us in many ways, like a teacher teaches, a doctor gives us medicines, a traffic policeman maintains traffic, a mason builds house, etc. Point number 3. There are many important buildings near our houses like post office, hospital, etc., where important work is done. So these are the important points of this lesson. Now let us start the lesson. Children, let us start this lesson with the picture. Here you have to observe this picture carefully and then you have to answer the following question. Question number 1. Look at the picture carefully and write about the different types of work done in it. Here, you have to look at the picture carefully and then you have to write about the different types of work done in the picture. So let us start with the first one. Children, what is this woman doing? Yes, she is sweeping the ground. So who is she? Yes, she is a sweeper. A sweeper is sweeping the ground. Now what is this man doing? Yes, he is laying bricks. So who is he? Yes, he is a mason. A mason is laying bricks to build the building. Now children, what is this woman doing? Yes, she is selling flowers. So who is she? Yes, she is a florist. A florist is selling flowers. Now children, what is this man doing? Yes, he is selling tea. So who is he? He is a tea seller. So a tea seller is selling tea. Children, what is this man doing? Yes, he is waiting with a comb and scissor for someone to cut hair. So who is he? Yes, he is a barber. A barber is ready to cut hair. Now children, what is this man doing? Yes, he is waiting for somebody to come to repair shoes or sandals. So who is he? Yes, he is a cobbler. A cobbler is ready to repair shoes and sandals. Now children, what is this man doing? Yes, he is maintaining traffic. So who is he? Yes, he is a traffic policeman. A traffic policeman is maintaining traffic. Now children, what is this lady doing? Yes, she is going towards post office. So, a lady is going to the post office. Now children, let us have a look at another picture and then answer the following question. Question number 2. Look at the picture carefully and write about the work done in the picture. Children, here again we have to look at this picture carefully and then we have to write about the different types of work done in the picture. So let us start with the first one. So children, tell me, what is this lady doing? Yes, she is going towards the hospital. So children, can you tell me, who is she? Yes, she is a doctor as she is wearing the white coat. And children, what will she do after going to the hospital? Yes, she will give medicines to the patients. So children, a doctor is going to the hospital to give medicines to the patients. Now children, can you tell, what is this man doing? Yes, he is selling fruits. So who is he? Yes, he is a fruit seller. A fruit seller is selling fruits. Now children, tell me, what are these children doing? Yes, these children are running towards the school. And why are they running towards the school? These children are running towards the school because they want to study. So, Children are running towards the school to study. Now children, what is this lady doing? Yes, she is going towards the cobbler as she has broken her sandals. Children, can you tell me who is she? Yes, she is the teacher of the school. And what does the teacher do in the school? A teacher teaches in the school. Children, a teacher teaches in the school. What kind of work do people in your neighborhood do? Name any 5. What are these workers called? Children, the meaning of the word neighborhood is the area near your house. Neighborhood means the area near your house. So children, here we have to write on one side the different types of work done in our neighborhood, and on the other side we have to name the workers who do this work. One example is already given. The work is repairs cars and scooters. And what is the name of that worker? It is a mechanic. So children, a mechanic repairs cars and scooters. Now children, we have to write about the other different types of work done in our neighborhood and the names of those workers. So let us start with the first one. The first one is the example already given, repairs cars and scooters, and the worker is called as mechanic. The second one is treating patient. The work is treating patients. So children, what is the person who treats the patient called as? Yes, he is called as a doctor. He is called as a doctor. The next work is selling fruits. So children, what is the person who sells fruits called as? Yes, he is called as a fruit seller. He is called as a fruit seller. The next work is cooking food. So children, what is the person who cooks food called as? Yes, he is called as a cook. A person cooking food is called as a cook. The next work is selling items in a shop. So children, what is the person who sells items in a shop called as? Yes, he is called as a shopkeeper. A shopkeeper sells items in a shop. The next work is building home. Children, who builds home? Yes, a mason builds home. So children, a mason builds home. Write the names of any 5 buildings and the work done in them. Children, here we have on one side the names of different buildings and on the other side the work done in those buildings. So let us read the name of the first building and find out what type of work is done in that building. The name of the first building is hospital. And what type of work is done in the hospital? In the hospital, treatment of patients is done. The name of the second building is school. And what work is done in the school? Children study in the school. The name of the third building is bank. And what type of work is done in the bank? Deposit and withdrawal of money is done in the bank. Children, deposit means to put money in the bank. Deposit means to put money in the bank. And withdrawal means to take out money from the bank. Withdrawal means to take out money from the bank. The name of the next building is Post Office. And what work is done in the post office? We get postcards and postage stamps from the post office. The name of the next building is Hotel. And what work is done in the hotel? Visitors stay and eat in the hotel. Children, so these are the names of some buildings and the work done in them. School is also one such place where many people work. Write what work is done in the school. Children, here we have to write about the different types of work done in the school. Like, teachers teach in the school. Children study in the school. Principal takes care of the school. Clerks work in the office. Peons keep the school neat and tidy. Lab assistants take care of the science lab. So children, these are the different types of work done in the school. Question: are there any children in the picture who are not going to school? What are they doing? Answer: one boy is serving tea to the people and some children are playing under a tree. These children are not going to the school. Now children, let me give you some homework. Look at this picture. Here you have a question which you have to solve it as homework. It is on page number 83 of your EVS textbook. The question is, in the picture on the first page of this lesson, some buildings have been shown. In the list below, put a red circle on the names of these buildings. Also, put a green or yellow color circle on the names of those buildings that are in your neighborhood. So children, here you have to put a red color circle on the names of those buildings that are shown on the first page of this lesson, and you have to put a green or yellow color circle on the names of those buildings that are in your neighborhood. You have to do this in your textbook. Children, I hope you must have understood what I have taught in this lesson. Thank you.